Okay. This is one big honking piece of wood, and I need to get it in my house. And I just checked that I can pick up one end. It was laying right here. So I could pick up one end and move it over. So I can move it anyway. And I've got another one of them right here. They're 24 feet long and 3 by 8, like true 3 by 8, and they're still wet, so they're extremely heavy. But I have a thing. I have an idea. Okay, I have a thing. Let's go like this. And go like this. Oh crap, I just realized, how am I gonna get this thing to stay? Does it stay like that? Don't fall. Okay, get it on there before it falls. Okay. I'm not sure where these go in my house yet. Oh crap, I don't want that whole thing to turn. Of course it's gonna turn though, duh. Duh! Oh god, anyway. Yeah, obviously that's gonna turn. Alright, going down the hill there. Just leans that way a little bit. So I want to get this on this side. Make it less likely to tip over. Still might tip over, but let's see. Hopefully these guys are good enough. All right, let's do it. There you go. All right, now don't lose control going downhill, of course. Not exactly how I was envisioning this going, but yeah, this is totally working. Ah, this is a piece of cake. Ah, I've made it too easy. It's too easy. Well, wait till I get to the bottom. Wait till I get to the corner. Well, that part was easy. Bit of a tight corner here. It's gonna come this way. I could move my little drying rack there, or I could just get that end part up on the hill up there. Alright, let's see how this goes. You know what? Let's not go backwards. Just in case. Well, could put it up higher. All right, let's put it up. Don't really want that to fall off up there. Now here's the real trick. Oh, I can move that out of the way, no problem. But you gotta do a 90-degree turn to get into this door here. I'm not sure where it goes inside either. Anyway, have to get it up here, swing the end way out. Dude, this is not reasonable. Okay, let's do it. All right, I gotta swing that out here. That's a mango tree, can't hit that. Can't hit the papaya tree. This is all food. This is all oregano. Man, I don't want to hit any of this stuff. Why is this so long? God. Ah. Kill anything good? Okay. Oh, is it clear? Might be clear, it's close. Oh, it's totally clear. Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I could go down to the other end, just pick it up and move it, but I don't feel like it. Good enough. All right, I think I can come around here, put the nose right at the back door, and it's gonna stick out to like here, which is gonna be annoying, but it'll only be temporary. And the fact that these are in here means a lot of this stuff that's down here temporarily will be going upstairs soon. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Oh, my first floor is gonna be cleared out. Okay, let's. How am I even gonna get around that corner? Oh God, do I have to go through here? I might have to go through here. Wait a minute. It's too long to get around. That's right, between those two poles, it's not 24 feet. Oh, I gotta go straight through. That means it's gonna have to come through here. I don't know. All right. Yeah. Yup. Hello. All right, I have to go right through here, which means it's going to be over these mats because I can almost fit it through here, but yeah, not quite. Yeah, not quite. Maybe? Frick. Maybe I can shove those poles over a little bit. I think I can, actually. Yeah. These things better be spectacular when they're up. Alright, freaking great. I think I can do the next one in 20 minutes. Under 20 minutes. No way, dude, that's impossible. Alright, it's a challenge. Start the clock. 1:52. Go! Oh, let's see what time it is. $2:17. Oh, what was it? 1:52. Oh, was it 25 minutes? Yeah, that was a hard 25 minutes. All right, how exactly do I put these though? There isn't enough space beside here to fit two side by side, so this one has to go on top of there. Do I put it like that, or do I? All right, I have these arranged with all their curves going against each other. So, clamp them together, and forcing them to both be straight. And I think it's time for some swims. Yeah.